Hello, I'm Tim Hodson, Central Region Manager for SuperVac and Command Light. Here today to show you some of our new products. One being the 16-inch PPV fan powered by Milwaukee or DeWalt batteries. The Milwaukee is the M18 platform. The DeWalt is the flexible platform. The one I have here is powered by DeWalt. It offers an option of shore power, allowing you to plug it in, use it on shore power, take the batteries out, use them on another product. Weighs under 50 pounds. It's lightweight, aluminum frame construction, steel shroud, steel grill. On my right, have the 18-inch platform. It too has aluminum frame, steel shroud, steel grill, available in DeWalt or Milwaukee batteries as well. Both fans have 180 degrees tilt, straight up to straight down for great versatility. The 18-inch also has a fold-down handle and wheels for easy transportation. A couple other products I brought along with me today are two saws powered by Makita power heads, 2-year warranty on these. The cutoff saw is a 14-inch cutoff saw, comes equipped with diamond edge blade, easy start system, primer bulb, and straight up fuel fill. The vent saw, available in a 16-inch or 20-inch, also powered by Makita, has two different depth gauges. The one I'm showing today has the billet aluminum depth gauge. We also have a full rep depth gauge available for it for your liking. Both have the optional flashlight accessory on it. The vent saw is the lightest weight, most powerful offered to the fire service as a true fire saw. These saws are specifically built for the fire service. It's not a converted wood saw. If you have any further questions, you can contact your banner sales rep, or you can visit us online at supervac.com.